Yo, today we're going to make this awesome table from pitch pine floorboards and this weird metal leg thing with no idea what it is, but the client wants it. Also, please subscribe, it's a massive help to me, and if you subscribe, you will live longer, so you know, living longer is good. And let's get cracking with the montage. Oh my god, my SD card. For the base of the table, I cut a sheet of plywood to my desired size. Before attempting anything else, I laid a top of how it would be in the final product, and then discovered it would need flattening as the pieces were uneven. This step wasn't completely necessary, but I wanted a more even finish, and if you haven't got a thickness of planer, you can always use a hand plane or sand it. When using solvents, you should always wear a respirator. I use this spray contact adhesive as one of the quick fastening techniques to fasten the top to the base. This stuff always reminds me of spider webs. It's pretty cool. I then applied weights and waited 24 hours. I'm flushing up the sides and making sure it's square like spines of square pants. I filled some of the biggest gaps by gluing in wooden wedges. I wanted this table to last a really long time, so I used another fastening technique, screws, to make it stronger. I'm now filling in other gaps with sawdust and glue. Then once it dries, I sand it off and you get a seamless finish. I then measured, then cut the edging. I then glued, then clamped the edging. Also, I pre-drilled countersink holes. To also increase manufacture speed, I screwed on the edging. To fill the holes, I drilled my own plugs and glued them in. I flushed it off with a flush cut saw. I then grabbed the round over bit to round over the corners. If you don't have a router, you can sand this or plane it. I then carefully sanded the tape all over, being careful not to remove paint, as I wanted this in the final product. I used a spoke safe to plane a groove in the corners to give it a more handled and used look this was after. Now for the fun bit, blowtorching. I really like doing this because I find it brings out the grain and colours for wood. And I lightly sanded it at 320 grit to give it a more professional finish. I wanted the edging to be a similar colour to the tabletop, so I applied the antique oak stain and did 2 coats. Also applied masking tape in the areas I did not want any stain. I'm using an extra tough 2-part lacquer which is water based, but it's a massive bonus for cleaning up, and also you won't get high. I mix it to a correct ratio which will be in your instruction. Before applying any type of finish, you have to do it in a dust free environment. This is why I like using it to blow all the dust out. You'll want to apply a first coat thinly, then sand with the light sandpaper between every single coat and do 3 coats in total. I wasn't happy with how the bottom looked, so I sprayed the whole bottom black. Now cutting a wood for the legs. Cowboy builder right there. Imagine if I cut my hands off on YouTube, that would have got so many views. I used to arrange the router bits to get a decorative design. I finished it the same way as the tabletop. Subscribe if you like my vintage hipster Makita drill. We're going to use this bad boy for drilling the holes through the metal legs. Just giving it a centre point, so now where to drill pilot holes for the coach bolts. Now I'm attaching the legs to the tabletop. I put in 4 coach bolts, super sturdy, apocalyptic proof. Oh wow, it's so sturdy. I suppose God was on my side today. Thank you so much for watching. And please comment and subscribe. And also tell me how I can improve. And in the comments tell me what's your favourite wood. Peace out.